Hey, ChatGPT, I want you to ask me a couple of questions which are used in our day to day conversation, and I'm gonna answer those questions.
Hey, Bilal Kasim, that sounds great. Here's your first question. 1. What do you usually do in your free time?
Whenever I'm free, I usually use ChatGPT in order to gain more knowledge.
That's a great way to use your free time, Bilal Kasim. Here's your next question. What's your favorite food and why do you like it?
Well, my favorite food is biryani because I love biryani. It tastes delicious, and I crave for biryani all the time.
Great answer, Bilal Kasim. Biryani is definitely a legendary dish, especially in Karachi. Here's your next question. 3. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why?
Well, if I could travel anywhere in the world, then I would go to England because since my childhood, I've been planning to go to England just because of its name, and I think I like England.
That's a solid choice, Bilal Kasim. England has a rich history, amazing landmarks, and a great atmosphere. Since you've been planning this since childhood, what's the first place you'd visit in England?
Well, I have never ever been to England so far. I wish to go there, but one day, let's see. If I get to do it, I will certainly do it.
That's the spirit, Bilal Kasim. Keep that dream alive, and who knows, one day you might be walking through the streets of London enjoying the sights. If you do get the chance, what's the one thing you'd love to experience first in England?
Well, very first, I want you to stick to your topic. Now, you are supposed to ask me question number four.
Got it, Bilal Kasim. Here's question number 4. What do you usually do when you feel stressed or tired?
Well, whenever I'm stressed and tired, I usually watch videos which are comedy videos, and in order to spread laughter and in order to get a chance to smile, that is how means I get rid of stress.
That's a great way to relax, Bilal Kasim. Laughter is the best stress reliever. Here's your next question. Hanu 5. What's one thing you can't live without?
Well, it is gonna be a little bit personal, but it's
Take your
okay.
time, Bilal Kasim. I'm listening.
Well, I want you to change the question. Could you please do it for me?
Of course, here's a new question for you. 5. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
If I could have any superpower, then I would love to fly because flying is, a little bit unique for the people, means for the human beings. I know that via airplanes we can fly, but I want to fly like the birds. Wherever you want to go, you are allowed to go, you can go, nobody can catch you like that.